the type of rose, guys. It's blooming. It's very beautiful. Nintay ko guys yung husband ko. We're gonna go to my mother-in-law house because I got tomato planted on the ground there, so I'm gonna visit and then I'm gonna water it. So papakita ko sa inyo guys yung some of my tomato there, and then we're gonna see whether it's already tall or whether it's growing.
I can't believe it every day and night. You are the only one who's on my mind.
Rudy. 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 Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Let's go. Let's go. Don't smell my one kiss. And we're already here in mom's house, guys. I'm gonna visit the plant here. My tomato. I'm gonna visit my tomato here. So here's my tomato. Ayan ang aking tomato, guys. And then I got garlic there. 2 garlic. I'm surprised, guys. It's already tall now. Yeah. You see? So it's taller now. Let's water the tomato, guys. Guys, inano ko ulit siya, nakapagod. Ayan, inano ko ulit, tinungkap ko ulit para lumambot yung lupa. Ayan. So ayan na siya. So guys, update ko kayo pag nagsilakihan yung tomato ko. Uwi na kami after this. Tapos na rin ako. Update ko na lang kayo guys. See ya! Alright guys, for our dinner, I'm going to cook this very easy guys. I know every one of you knows how to cook this. Alright guys, I'm gonna cook fried pork chop. Okay, so I got 2 pieces here, one for me and one's for my husband. But it's different, it has a different seasoning. For my husband, it has only salt and pepper. But for me guys, I added a hot paprika. So I just want to have a little bit of spice. Alright guys, and by the way guys, I'll prepare. See my sausawan. So tomato and onion. And then later I'm gonna put some soy sauce and vinegar or lemon. Yeah. So let's start to cook guys. So I have heated my pan here. I'm gonna use this pan, grilling pan. It's a grilling pan, guys. So it's already preheated. Matalamig to guys. So and guys, we're frying. And then later on, guys, we're gonna fry French fries. Since we have pork chop. Of course, if there's a pork chop, there's a rice. But for us Filipinos, if there's a pork chop, there's a rice, right? Who agree with me? Looks so yummy. So guys, I'm gonna cook this rice. It's the frozen rice, guys. See? Not yet. Alright guys, so I'm gonna season this with soy sauce and vinegar, which is better, vinegar or lemon. I think it's different. Put some. It's done guys. Let's see whether it's ready. See that guys, it's already brown. Okay, I'm gonna show you how brown it is. Okay, it's enough, I think. Yeah, it's so roast now, guys. It's done. Mine is actually this one, the big one.
Okay, mine is a little small.
But oh, it's so dry already. That's yummy. The other one is still because my husband wants to cook more. He wants toasted. It's already toasted. And here's our bread. Alright, cook na rin ang ating fries. It's done. I'm gonna remove it from here. And we can eat. Let's eat, guys. So here's my food. Yan. Yummy. Kain muna kami, guys.